Hello everyone, how are you today? Trust you're doing great. I want to show you how to use this powerful AI to create short video and increase your subscriber base. Alright, so if you're ready, let's dive in. Go to your browser and search in Short AI and then click on Short AI for it to take you to its interface where you will create your beautiful shorts. Click on it and it will take you to its interface. On this interface, you go to the top right corner and click go to dashboard, and then it will take you to another interface as well to continue creating your shot. Just wait for it to process. On the next interface, you'll see several options to the left hand side. You see what you can do, create Reddit story, fake text, AI story video, dialogue generator, and so on and so forth. But for the purpose of this video, what we are going to do is select AI story. So click on AI story and it will take you to an interface where you create your story. Now on the next interface, you can see what we can do. You can do custom script or AI script. Alright, so we want to use AI script to generate our story. So that is, Short AI is going to generate a script for us to create our shot. So after clicking it, it will bring you to this interface as well, where you need to select several options to continue creating your script. But for the purpose of this video, we'll click on custom prompt. Click on custom prompt. Alright, for it to create a story for you. Sorry, my internet is not that fast. Alright, now you need to tell Short AI to create a story for you. So I'm going to tell Short AI to create a video on how to make money online. Alright, and then we'll go to the next stage. And the next stage is going to be, we have to select a language. The language is English. Then we are going to start up with a captivating hook that will have the attention of our audience. And what I'm going to write here is how to make money online. That's going to be something that will have the attention of our audience, because many people want to make money online. So the caption of how to make money online is going to have attention of so many people, so they would want to click on it to see how they would make money online. And the next option, I'm going to enter a call to action that is going to tell my viewers to please like and subscribe for more. Alright, so like and subscribe for more. And then because our shot is going to be for 2 minutes or so, I'm going to select 90 to 120 seconds. So you can see I asked it to create a video on how to make money online, and the language is English, and the hook, the first something that'll get the attention of my viewers is how to make money online, and then call to action, like and subscribe for more, and then it's going to be for 90 to 120. Then click on create script. And now it's creating our script for us. So let's just wait, and it's going to create a script. So it has created a script for us. You have to go through it to see where you can tweak or where you can add or subtract. And after you've gone through it and you're okay with it, you click on next, and it will take you to another interface where you will continue the process of creating your short video. Alright, click on next. And on the next interface, you have to choose a background style. Alright, so many options to choose from, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to choose Disney style. Alright, so we see other options to choose from. So I'm going to choose Disney style. That is the background style I want to use for this shot. You have other options to choose from. You can decide which one you want for yourself, but I think Disney style is okay. So click on it and wait for it to take us to the next interface. Now it has taken us to the next interface. what I will do now is to select the subtitle template. There are several subtitle templates, so I'm going to choose one of them. You also can choose the one that you think will resonate with your story, and I'm going to select anyone I think is okay for me. So I'm going to select this one and then click on next. Okay, so I need a voice to tell my story. So it will take me to this interface where I have to choose my voice. So there are several other voices to choose from, but I'm going to choose this one, W.L. Oxley. I think it's okay. You can listen to it, and if it's okay by you, you click on it and click on generate video, and it's going to generate the video for us. Is it that simple? Short AI interface is very, very simple. Just few clicks, it will create beautiful short story for you, and then it will take us to another interface where our video is being generated, and it says generating your video. You can safely leave this page. Video export will continue in the background, and you can check progress anytime in my project. Alright, so you can be patient for just a few seconds or 1 or 2 minutes. It's going to finish generating videos, and after it finishes generating our video, you listen to it, and then if you're okay with it, you download it to your device.
How to make money online. In the digital age, making money online is a game changer. Imagine waking up, sipping your favorite coffee, and checking your earnings from home. Let's explore some accessible ways to boost your income. First, consider freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for skills like writing, graphic design, or coding. Create a compelling profile and showcase your work. Start by offering lower prices to attract clients and build your reputation. Next, think about affiliate marketing. Sign up for programs that match your brand. Share unique links to products you love on social media or a blog. Each time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Choose products that resonate with your audience. Don't underestimate online courses. If you are an expert in a field, create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Market your courses through social media to attract learners. Another avenue is dropshipping. Set up a store on Shopify, select a niche market, and find suppliers. With no need for inventory, your overhead costs are low. Then, consider writing ebooks. If you have a story to tell or expertise to share, write and self-publish through Amazon. It's a great way to reach a large audience without investment. Also, explore content creation. You can start a YouTube channel or a TikTok profile. Share engaging videos on topics you love. Grow your audience. Finally, get involved in online surveys or testing websites. While this won't replace a full-time job, it offers quick cash for sharing your opinions. The key is to find something you're passionate about and start taking action. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your online efforts into substantial income. Start today and enjoy the freedom that comes with working online. Please like and subscribe for more.
Wow, wasn't that great? You too can do the same. You see, in conclusion, using Short AI to create engaging YouTube shorts is a smart and efficient way to grow your subscriber base. With its ability to generate attention-grabbing content quickly, you can stay consistent, write trending topics, and attract a wider audience, all without spending hours editing. The key is to focus on quality, relevance, and consistency. Ready to get started with Short AI? Click the referral link in the description to sign up for Short AI and begin creating high converting shorts today. Don't miss the chance to boost your channel's growth and engagement with the power of AI. Let's grow your YouTube presence together, one shot at a time. Alright? Also, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so that subsequently, as I upload more of this content, you're one of the first individuals to get notified. Once again, click the link in the description and sign up to Short AI, and I'm going to get a little commission from your subscription at no cost to you. Till I see you again next time. Bye bye.